This 2015 Winnebago Era 70X is a Class B RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago and features sleeps 2 and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bedroom. This 2015 Winnebago Era 70X is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.